and the bustling city of Ahmedabad, India, where the world is striving for greener and cleaner solutions, emerges a company dedicated to shaping the future with a vision of clean and green global. Introducing an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Sai CabTech Private Limited. Founded in 2009 with a vision to provide cutting-edge one-stop turnkey solutions and create a greener nation. Meet Mr. Prakash Soni, a technocrat and visionary leader. With over more than 27 years of experience in designing, manufacturing, supplying, installation, testing and commissioning in the power and telecom sector. His passion for innovation and strong technical partnerships have paved the way for Sai CabTech's remarkable success. From humble beginnings and facing numerous challenges along the way, Mr. Soni have focused on providing customized products and cost-effective solutions to various industries. Dedication and expertise have earned Mr. Soni recognition and acceptance in the world, leading to opportunities to work with major players like Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Airport Authority of India, Gujarat Industrial Power Company Limited, Solar Energy of Corporation of India Limited, MNRE, GEDA, GUVNL, GETCO, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, Indian Railways, Defence Organizations, Indian Navy and many more. Today, Sai CabTech stands tall for its expertise in the design and EPC of solar power projects and complete turnkey renewable energy solutions, catering to the most complex requirements globally. Our solutions can be found on residential rooftops, industrial complexes, airports, commercial buildings, agricultural farms and hospitals, etc., making a tangible difference by reducing carbon footprint and promoting clean energy. We offer a comprehensive product range including residential rooftop solutions, industrial rooftop systems, industrial solar parks, solar and wind hybrid park, agriculture solar solution, electrical substations, compact USS, electrical cables and conductors, and electric vehicle charging stations. We also specialize in providing on-grid, off-grid and hybrid solar projects, ensuring a reliable and sustainable energy supply. Recognized for execution of 5,000 plus projects successfully and excellence in the field of solar energy, Sai CabTech has received prestigious awards such as the Best Hybrid Solar Power Plant Award, Best Brand in Solar Energy, Pride of Nation and Gujarat Nu Gaurav. These accolades highlight our commitment to quality and unwavering dedication to delivering on promises. In the rugged terrains of Nagaland, nestled among hilly mountains with limited accessibility and relentless rain, Sai CabTech has emerged victorious by World Bank. Overcoming daunting challenges, we have successfully established 18 project sites, transforming them from a mere 3 hours to a remarkable 24 hours of uninterrupted electricity. These remarkable accomplishments stand as a testament to our unwavering perseverance and exceptional ability to conquer obstacles, ensuring reliable power supply even in the most demanding and remote locations. With a deep-rooted mission of creating a greener and cleaner nation, Sai CabTech has become a trusted name in the industry, Join us on the journey towards a sustainable future. To learn more about our sustainable solutions and explore the opportunity of becoming our worldwide technical partners franchise, we invite you to join hands with us. Together, let's shape a greener and cleaner future at every doorstep. Sai CabTech Private Limited, shaping the future of generating electric power through renewable resources and reduce the carbon footprint globally.